Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Keena, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I like to freshen up my old blowouts. One way that I like to freshen up my blowouts is by curl wanding my hair. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I do that. And I'm just adding some heat protectant serum before I get started, and I'll put all the products that I use down in the description box below. I got my curling wand from Amazon, so I'll post a link to that as well. And I'm just putting on my safety gloves so I won't burn myself. Okay, so my curling wand is heated and ready to go. I normally put it on the highest temperature, which is 410 degrees. And I just simply wrap my hair around the wand, and I like to hold it in place for 10 seconds, and then I'll let go of the curl. And as you can see, in those 10 seconds, I got a pretty curl. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same exact thing. I'm just gonna grab some hair, and I'm gonna simply just wrap my hair around the curling wand and hold my hair on the wand for 10 seconds and release. I've been curl wanding my hair for a while now, so it's a lot quicker and easier to me than using regular curlers. So it normally takes me probably about only 20 minutes to curl wand my entire head. My hair also has a hard time keeping a curl, but with curl wanding, my curls last a lot longer as opposed to using regular curlers. For maintenance, I just put my hair in 2 Bantu knots at night, and these curls will last me probably about 2 weeks, which I can appreciate. As I mentioned in my how I maintain my straight natural hair video, I only straighten my hair 4 to 5 times out of the year, which is not a lot to me, so I do like to rock my hair straight for a whole entire month. I like to get the most out of my blowout, okay? I do want to mention that before you curl wand your hair, you definitely want to apply some sort of heat protectant or serum to your hair. This wand is very hot and it will burn your hair. I've seen it happen so many times on the internet. Also, don't leave the wand on your hair for no more than 10 seconds. And also make sure your hair is in pretty good shape, or it's healthy before using a curling wand. If your hair is dyed and fried, this is the last thing that you probably want to use on your hair. It can create probably more damage to your hair. Me being a heat damage survivor, I definitely am a big fan of using non-heat methods for curling my hair. Curl wanding my hair is something that I do rarely and less often compared to my other styles. So whenever I do curl on my hair, I'm super careful. Okay, so I'm all done. Yes, look at those curls. And I'm just finger combing out the curls to give me more of a wavy look. I decided to do a cute half up, half down style for the day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you in your natural hair journey. As always, thanks for watching.